In this tutorial, we will learn about if, then, else statement, right? What is the syntax? Syntax means how we can use this a format in this QB64. So first is line number 2, see syntax if, then condition, then statement, else statement. Let's understand it with the example. Example 1, I have commented the line number 7, 10 and 13, right? So you just see the single quote example. I have mentioned because these are the three examples. I have used three examples here. So first is input. I am asked, program will ask when we will execute this, enter your age. So this is a variable, numeric variable. Example 2, enter your marks. Marks is variable. Example 3, input, enter marks of test 1, enter marks of test 2. So variable is test 1 and test 2. So this we are printing to separate. Now from row number 24 we can see we are using this numeric variable here. If less than 18, if you enter age less than 18, then print you are below 18 years and you are not an adult. If this condition is true, then it will print this, else it will print you are an adult and you are allowed to drive. Okay, so let me comment this first. So we will see example one by one. I'm commenting this. Okay, F5. So enter your age. So program is asking for input your age. If I enter, I am 16 years old. So example 1 output here, if age is below 18, you are below 18 years and you are not an adult yet. So it prints this line because this condition is true, right? Now again if I execute this, if I enter 18, then it prints you are an adult and you are allowed to drive, right? So this time I have entered the criteria or age. It doesn't fulfill this condition, so it jumps to this statement. Okay, so this way we can use if, then print this, else print this. So this is the use of if, then and else statements. Okay, now we will see second example. I will comment this and let me comment this as well because we have already seen. Comment. Okay, and example 3 as well. So we have only example 2 in place. So it will ask enter your marks, then it will check condition. If your marks is more than 75, then excellent, else keep it up. Let's see. Enter your marks. So first condition we will satisfy. Let's say I have entered 76. So it print example 2 excellent, because this condition is satisfied. Okay, again we enter. If I enter 70, keep it up, because it doesn't satisfy this condition, then keep it up. Okay, so we are done with example 2 as well. Okay, now we'll move to example 3 to see how it works. So let me comment up to here. Commented, and I am also commenting this part. So this time example 3 input and print this. So we will enter marks of test 1, test 2. Then there will be a comparison test 1 and test 2. If test 1 is more and if score of test 1 is high or greater than test 2, then you score well in test 1, else you scored well in test 2. Let's see. So marks of score 1, enter marks of test 1. Let's say I have entered 80 and 79. So you scored well in test 1, right? Because it is satisfying this condition. If I execute again, if score of test 1 is 70 and score of test 2 is 80, then you scored well in test 2. So this way we can use if then else statement, right? And we can also execute all three example together. Let's see. Enter your age. My age is 18. Enter your marks. I enter 70, let's say 80. Test 1 95 and test 2 100. So for example, you are an adult and you are allowed to drive. Because this is greater than 18, so it is going to this condition. You are adult and you are allowed to drive. For example 2 marks, because marks is more than 75, so this is excellent. And for example 3, score of or marks of test 2 is good, then test 1 you scored well in test 2, right? So with these three examples you can easily understand how we can use if then else statements in QB64. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much.